Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in this video I am super excited to be back with another video showcasing some of Syberia Designs' latest release, and this video is a part of a YouTube hop to celebrate this amazing birthday release from Alex. So let's get into it. I started off by showing you a new combo. This is a hot foiling plate, coordinating dies, and a stamp set called Timeless Blooms Celebration. And it's this beautiful sort of balloon shaped flower that you can create a lot of different like color combinations with, and also the die set has a die that will cut out this outer part so you can create some dimension and do this all by die cutting if you like. For my video today I will only do the stamping part, but I know that I will be back with another video showing you how you can use this together with a die, because I think you can create some really cool effects with it. So here I'm just using my Misty to line everything up. You can see I didn't do a great job here, so I will actually sort of switch my pen around and create a second one. And this one, the other one I will keep going with, but I will also share how I use this to create one that didn't have the outside pattern. So to create that effect I just left my paper or started the stamp at the same time for one of the sides, so I always had it in the right spot when I went to ink it up. I hope that makes sense. I will show you here all of the stamping that I did for my balloons today. You can see I have a couple of different color combinations, and some of them were together and some of them were cut apart. So you can see here, really like it. Some of them I used the same color combinations, and for some I used different. So I really like that you can play around with all of these, and it's perfect for mixing and matching all of your color combination. You can see for this one I kept the leaves the same color and all of the other flowers and the background images in a different color, and I really think that turned out nicely as well. So you can really play around here, and you can see that there is 2 layers for both the flowers and the leaves here. So that is really fun, and it really brings out the dimension in these flowers. So pretty. I really like how this turned out. And you can see here is the one where I messed up, where I had a bit of a too big of a gap, and I will share later how I fixed that. Here is the one where we didn't use the outside pattern, and we're just creating our leaves here. And here is also one that I hot foiled off camera, and I will share how that turned out. They didn't end up on a card today, unfortunately, but I will save them in my together with the stamp for a future project. It's always nice to have stuff ready to go when you need to create a birthday card or a celebration card. So you can see how this one without the outside pattern turned out, and this is the one where I did a little bit of a mess up here in the middle part, and here is the one with the hot foiling. I did 2 color variations here, and then I went to cut all of this out. By the way, there you can see that cool die that will cut this pattern out. And for this one I used a nested stitched circle die that is nearly the same size as the die that comes in this set. So I used that for one of them just to try it out and see all of the dimension. And by the way, here's the half parts with the hot foiling. So you can, if you want to create these separately, you can always go in and put them together after you stamped everything. And here is my little cheat sheet. So I just took a blue marker and went in the middle of that. For the backgrounds of my cards, I decided to go ahead and create some texture for them. So here is the new Shiny Diamonds background die that I used together with the Picket Fence Luxe Arctic Fox. It's one of my favorites. It's just a white glitter cardstock. And for the sentiments I use some of the new birthday ones. This one is called Birthday and Wishes die set, and the other one that you can see here is Congrats and Hooray hot foil and die set, so it's 2 of them. And for the background of this card I used the Dazzling Fireworks cover die. I believe I pronounced that right, and you can see the white showing through. I really like that die, it's really pretty. And here is the one that we used, the nested stitched circle die set. And here is probably my favorite one. Let me know down in the comments which one of the products that I create today is your favorite. I believe mine is the really happy one there, but this one is also fun. And I still didn't like how that gap looked, even though I colored it in. I just thought it looked funny. So I took some twine and wrapped it around my balloon here. And then I adhered it down to card base here. And I think that fixed it a little bit, even though you can see it, I think it fixed it so the eye doesn't think it looks weird. And I purposely put it this direction and not the other way, so that it would look like the balloon was tied down by the strings there. And then I have my sentiments all popped in the middle of my balloons, and some sequins to finish everything off, and then my projects are pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something, and also that you got a closer look on some examples of how you can use this really unique stamp and coordinating die set. All the information about the video hope will be listed down below, and give this video a thumb up if you liked it, and let me know which of the products that you liked the best. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!